Here we go again. Let's get this baby bed and in bed. Alright. Hey, sweetie. Alright, let's see how we can do this. Hey there, little guy. It's okay. I'm gonna wrap you up so I can feed you. Okay? Let's get your little head. How are you gonna open your mouth? Can you open your mouth? Yes, you can. Okay, let's get you fed. Okay. Make sure it's not too hot. Alright, come on, baby. Sweetest one. Okay. There you go. There you go. What a good birdie. Yes, you are. You're such a good birdie. Yes. Is that good? There we go. Let's get you in there. There you go. There you go. Oh, you're so cute. Yes, you are. There you go, Hope. Yay! Yay! Look at you. You're doing such a good job. You hungry, huh? There you go. You eat that. Good birdie. Go, Hope. Go, Hope. Go, Hope. There you go. Okay, hold on, hold on. Get some more. Oh my God, this is so amazing. Oh my goodness. Ian, Hope put her whole face in the spoon. She's tearing it up. Oh my God, this is hilarious. Haley, come watch Hope.
What's her name?
Hope.
Hope?
She is tearing it up.
She got it all over her face.
Yes, she does.
She
Come
loves
on, baby, it's okay. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Want some more?
I don't think she wants anymore. Don't make her eat it.
Okay, go get Mama a wet towel. A wet paper cloth. Paper towel.
Oh, give me that.
Yeah, here, this one.
What's this?
How you doing? How's your
What's
crop?
this?
Your crop full?
What's this?
Hurry, hurry. Just a wet one. Let's go. See baby Hope? Hello, baby Hope. Hello. Hello. Okay. Gonna finish feeding you. A couple more cc's. Make sure that crop is full. See that little crop? That's where the food is, right there. Hey, honey, grab the phone.
No, it's Mommy. I'm
Hurry, Haley.
Okay.
See where the food went? You can see it inside the, this is where they store the food. That's a crop. That's all she really needs is a little bit more. Might be a little too cold. Gotta clean that little face. Here, baby. Here. Come on, Hope. There's the spoon, baby. There's the spoon.
She's laying her face in it.
There you go.
It's okay, Hope.
You all done, Hope? You all
Hope.
done, baby?
Hope, we're gonna take
Good thing
this.
she doesn't have any eyes yet.
She
They're
has
behind those pockets.
what? Which is
All
what?
right,
Where are her
this
eyes?
is it. This is it. They're behind those little pockets right there. The end.